has stopped a little bit at Seahorse Ranch. I'm driving now. Even low cars can get through, I think, but we have to wait for each other. It's a bit of a mess here. Look, there's a lot of water. Usually they don't grow mangroves here, but those look like mangroves now. I don't know why we were waiting. People are scared to cross. I couldn't charge my phone with Balancer because Claro is not working, electricity is not working, nothing is working in this land, this country. But I'm off the grid and I have my Starlink also. It's kind of bad. Cars are making too much waves. Kind of serious situation. I think the road is here. It's getting pretty deep, even deeper now. I have a snorkel on my car. If I have to go back and it's going to rain again, then we all have a problem. We don't reach the house, but I have to go, but I have to do an home inspection in Cabarete, in Pro Cup. I don't know what all those people are doing here. Because they're waiting, I think, for big cars to get them over. We're safe now. We're safe now. I say something to the police. It's kind of crazy. Hola, feliz Navidad! They're not smiling now. It's okay. Por lo menos no es nieve. Por lo menos no es nieve. Como en mi país. Hermano, feliz Navidad. Gracias. Gracias por su servicio. We're getting through. I imagined it would be longer to go to Cabarete, and now it's 9:43 and I have my appointment at 11, so if no more obstacles are on the road, we're more than good. Bye! Feliz Navidad!